Hello everyone. Now, if you've been following me on my YouTube channel since the word dot, you'll know that I started out doing Charlotte Tilbury almost exclusively and own most of her collection. But two of my all-time favourite items are this kit, which is a colour chameleon duo, and there's an exclusive shade in there. And the other is Pillow Talk Intense, which is this one. The only Pillow Talk lipstick that is not matte. Now, at the moment, she's got two sets in the sale that include these items. So one set includes this, my favourite lipstick, which I'm wearing, and Pillow Talk mascara in Dream Pop, which is this, and I have it on right now. The other set, same set that I love, plus this beautiful palette. Now, if you want to see me doing a look, keep watching. You don't need to be an expert at applying makeup at all. Just scribble it on. And I'm going to blend it in with my fingers. I'm going to put a bit underneath for eye brightening. Then the exclusive shade that's exclusive to this kit, which is Pillow Talk Smoke. Going to use this on my eyes as well, taking this shade here. And then this shade, a little dot of that in the centre. And then I'm going to put this over that Pillow Talk Smoke. And I'm going to use this one to highlight under my brow. Next, the mascara. Using the matching Pillow Talk Intense lip liner first. Pillow Talk Intense lipstick. Now let's finish off with our cheeks. I'm going to mix these two matte shades first. First of all, this one. Spraying the highlighting brush with Flawless Setting Spray. Feel the glow. And one final touch using this shade. That's the look. Go get it now while it's on sale. You won't regret it.